standing over there. You look at me and expect you'll come, and you say, give it up, give it up, give it up. You want to smile, you want to laugh, you want to take my photograph, but you ain't got nothing on me. Think you're a star, think you're all that. You want to get my autograph, but you ain't got nothing on me. You try to put out the fire. The truth is, you could never know my pain. You try to walk the wire. Truth is, you can't get close to my girl. I got these eyes on me, burning up the lights, got the tension with the knife, 'cause I'm tearing it up. I'm feeling high and rushing, I'm the work, saying enough is enough. Now I'm the one you want to run to.
So where do we go when the love is lost its way? Break the ego, naked as the day we came, one we know.
Si Kale, mabait, makulit, syempre. Pero mabait talaga. Tsaka matalino, yan.
Cheer me up so I can lay around you.
Mabait, masunurin sa parents niya, sa aming mga tita niya.
Mabuti din siyang kaibigan kasi siya, nagko-comfort siya kapag nag-rant kami whatsoever sa GC, ganun po.
Say the look on your face, don't lose your fire, don't lose your flame. I don't want this to fight you anytime and I need.
Sana matupad mo mga wishes mo sa buhay and matuto ka na mag-transport and mag-commute mag-isa. I love you so much and enjoy your day today.
Kung ano yung meron ka, i-pursue mo lang.
Wala naman akong ibang hiling para sa'yo na kundi makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral, lahat ng pangarap mo ay matupad. Kami ng daddy mo, ng papa mo, mahal na mahal kita. Palagi.
Labi na, mahal na mahal kita. Kahit na hindi ko gano'n nasasabi o hindi mo nasasabi sa akin, basta alam mo naman sa sarili mo na mahal ka naman. Labi na.
Happy birthday, Cadence. Enjoy your day.
Kanina ka pa na-stress, mag-relax ka naman.